Hey y'all, Daniel Gaines here. Sorry about being absent, not putting out anything, letting y'all know what's going on in a minute. Things have been busy, working on several different things all at the same time. I've got a bunch of legal documents ready to be filed. Just have to wait until things progress to that point. My trial actually will start next week on the 13th of this month. No worries, y'all will know exactly what's going on and what's taking place and the outcome and the results of the trial. Y'all will know all of it, I promise. Also want to let you know that I'm going to be putting out a video tonight. I actually just got done making my notes for my questions for the trial. I have over 800 pages. Yeah, it's like that. Over 800 pages of questions for these stupid fucks. And these are only from the documents, the 2,000, actually it's over 2,200 pages that they dumped on me with 2 weeks before the trial. Yeah, that's what they did. A non-lawyer, a bunch of attorneys in the courts were allowed to dump over 2,200 pages of documents on me 2 weeks before trial. I got through them all. I'm able to get through it all quickly. But yeah, I've got a lot of questions. I made the comment to the judge that it was going to take me about a week to ask my questions alone. He kind of chuckled thinking I was saying that in jest. No, you fucking moron. It's probably going to take me longer than a week. Let's just say if my witness list takes me less than 2 weeks, I'll consider that a win at this point. Because Jarrell Sanders, Carolyn Merling, Kate Orlando, just those three alone, 426 pages. And keep in mind, 0 questions will be written down in advance for Juliet. 0 questions will be written down in advance for my daughter. And it's not like I'm actually going to go after my daughter. That's not going to happen, but there are going to be questions for her. She will be a witness of mine as well. And the attorneys, for the most part, over half my questions will not be wrote down for them. And oh yes, they are going to take the stand. They don't have a fucking choice. And yes, it's going to happen that way, I promise. But I want y'all to know that tonight I'm gonna do a video. I got some court documents that they part of what they served to me that I want to show y'all before next week. Let y'all see just some of the bullshit these clowns are saying and doing and everything else. And then I'll let y'all have an example of just how easily I'm going to fucking destroy these morons in court. I'll ask 2 questions after I show y'all this shit I'm gonna show you. I'll ask all you guys that watch this 2 questions. Those 2 questions alone will sum up the entirety of the fucking state of Washington's entire case. Seriously, these 2 questions are, yeah, it'll y'all like this. For all these people who know lawyers or who share this with their lawyer friends and everything else, and everybody who's dealing with all these family law issues, y'all gonna want to watch for what comes out about my trial. Y'all gonna want these documents, I assure you. Y'all gonna want to see them. Y'all gonna want to read what's in there. Y'all gonna want to know all this because it's gonna be very informational and educational. It's really gonna be educational for these attorneys in this court because they really underestimate what they're about to fucking have happen to them. And I'd love to see this fucking clown-ass judge try to stop it. Keep in mind, state of Washington, judicial canons, Canon 2, Rule 2.6, ensuring the right to be heard. This is a dependency fact-finding trial, folks. Dependency / custody is the same thing. Fact-finding means the scope is finding the facts about custody. That means every fucking thing is open. All the way from the beginning in 2004 when she illegally filed in the state of Washington while we were residents of the state of Louisiana. And I've already sent the Assistant Attorney General Miles Russell He's the one that filed the 2004 documents like a fucking moron. He didn't file the proof of service, which is one thing I'll be showing y'all later, that he didn't file the proof of service. I've contested and from the start, literally since 2004, I was never served. Why was the proof of service neglected? Why didn't they file the proof of service? Why is it I've sent him 6 different emails today, maybe 5 or 6 different emails today, telling him I need that proof of service because it's going to be brought up in court. Why is it he still hasn't fucking provided it? You want to know why? It doesn't exist. Shh. Our little secret. It doesn't exist. Juliet knows it doesn't exist. She can't produce a fucking she can't produce proof of service for the original divorce, the original child support order. She can't show jurisdiction. She can't prove jurisdiction for the state of Washington because I can prove jurisdiction was the state of Louisiana. Yeah, it's about to get real fucking ugly for them, and I'm gonna expose all of them. Y'all be careful, not be careful, but be ready for this, because trials are supposed to be through Zoom, and they're supposed to be made public, per the United States Supreme Court. Y'all be ready. I got a video for you later.